Guys, I'm just in welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super scared because it's so rainy. It has thunder and lightning, and it's so scary. I can't move on. It's so scary. I can't even make it. And I just want to say I'm super scared right now, but I'm alone in this room. See, I'm alone in these rooms. It's pretty dark because it's pillow. It's a dark pillow. Okay, it's charging. So bye, guys. Make sure comment down below if your place is raining in thunder and lightning.